Minister of Bopolu County. You are highly welcome in Bopolu City. The women are here very happy to receive you. Welcome to Gbarpolu County. Once more welcome. Up here, the women of Bopolu County, you are welcome, Honorable Minister. You are highly welcome, Honorable Minister. Welcome, Honorable Minister.
The men can bring women complaint for beating them. So part of the way for us to solve some of the problems, you know, when woman broke or man broke, like that confusion can be the So the government says some of the way we need to work on these things that are happening, that for us to empower both the men and the women. That's what the project came. So that the children too can have opportunity to go to school. Even the project pays on children wire school fee, 9th grader, 3rd grader, and so on. So we're also talking about sexual reproductive health in the project. Then we're talking about empowerment too in this project. Now, since they started giving the money to you people, we have it come to understand from you how business going. How is it changing the community? How is it changing your individual life? How is it helping your family? We came to hear from you. And to also let you know that the government gave you the money, not for you to take it and just go finish it one time and sit there and give you say no money. Because the government will not keep giving you the money. The government gave you the money for you to turn the money around. And we know our old man can do when it comes to turning money around. So that the reason we're here for. And we're all seeing everything you're doing and listening to everybody just by what I'm hearing from y'all. The project you brought here, the project the government brought here, it tells me that things are happening among you here because of this project. So we just want to tell you thank you. And the president is very much concerned about the women of this country. He will always say, the women got power. The men ain't just be heading their head. Because you really made you always say the women got power and the men ain't just be heading their head. You say your own money when you work for you bring it home. Sometimes when the woman finish making decision one day, your mother can be for. So he said, if the men use the power the women got, so just let the women and they want the home and everything be okay. We thank God that we got a father that really know the power women got, and he concerned, he interested in us. I just received an email from way America, New York. The people say that they want like brother to go tell their story. Because things happening here, they hearing about it. And when I saw it, I sent it straight to the deputy. I said, you see the thing they posted? In July, they posted the one that brought to go tell their story because they know that Women Empowerment Project here, Spotlight Project here, and it's doing plenty of things for the women and it's changing lives and changing communities. So we're here to come see, you see all the people, all the journalists in here, we told them we want this say. So we brought them for them to talk to y'all. And the radio people in Montreal will be hearing you explain what the project is doing for you. We want to hear it from us. We want the radio people, the journalists, to tell the Liberian people, hearing it from your own mouth, what the project is doing for you. So that's why we're here today. And we are happy. We're all even talking to you are happy because just for the development superintendent to talk about it, I hear the raw women here cheer talking about it. All of you started trying to give me small in and say, let's go to the let me hear small, then we'll go to the communities, and then the journalists will have their own time to talk to each of the women to just explain what the project doing for them, how it not change their life, what kind of information they got, how it not change the business, how the business going, it growing. All I want to hear it from you today, and to let you know that the money the government borrow it. The government went low around, borrow the money, they will pay back. They're not free money. So when you're using it, use it with care. You say knowing that your government care for you, they when they borrow money, they give to you, they say do business. So when you're doing that business, man that business, the business grow and get big. Yeah, so we will find time, we're now going to pass around to speak to everybody in the community, see what they're doing there, and then just know what's happening. But I really want to thank the local officials for the work that you people are doing, and I like the way you are connected to the project because you don't sound like a stranger to the project, and we are very glad and impressed about that. So thank you very much, and I hope that while we go around, you people can be around commissioners. Well, thank you, HR, land, authority man. We say thank you to all of you, especially our mother, you know, the head of the women, all the men so that no one here can have wisdom.